Hello my Diecast friends, happy Easter! Today a review about this beautiful diorama set from Tarmac I. It's called I Like Black and the normal price is around $250, but I bought it for $60 and honestly you can't leave this piece behind for $60 because it comes with a lot of accessories. What? Well, I'm going to show you. Let's open the box. First of all, box looks amazing. Let's open it up. Then we got a beautiful suede. It says Fat Boy Craftsman Factory. Let's take this off. And then we see a couple of figures. Here is one. Just another figure. Third figure. And that's because, of course, it comes with 4 cars. Let me show you. We have this also. Not sure what it is, but okay. And here is another one. Another one. Now let's take this off. Whoa, check this out. So we got. Here you see 3 cars, but I know there's another one in one of the containers. So it comes with 6 containers, 4 cars, some kind of pit stop lane. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to build this diorama. And when it's finished, I'm coming back to you guys. Just a sec. And I'm back. And look at this. This is absolutely amazing. What a beautiful diorama from Tarmac. Tarmac works. We're going to take a closer look. So I'm going to take the camera off and we're going to take a walk through the pit lane. But first, I was not sure what this was, but now I do. Because you can take this off from the container. The one you see over here. You can take it off and replace it with this Fat Boy Craftsman Factory. So you get a transparent. Well, why not show you? No, I'm going to do that later. It comes with 3 of these pieces. So I'm going to take the camera off. Careful, dude. Yes. Wow, check this out. It comes with 4 Mercedes Benz AMG GT3. So, let's see if we can. There we had it on the side, the text, Black Bear Republic RC Sport Development. Absolutely fantastic wheels. Figure looks also very nice. Here we got the container, and as you can see I take the front off, and I think it's possible to put a car inside. Not sure because this container looks a little bit different than this one. This one looks also very good. Here you can see how you can open them. Now let's take a look at the white one. Fantastic car. I'm really glad I bought this set. Here we got another figure. And there is another set of I Like Black. It also comes with 4 Mercedes GT3s, but then instead of a 4 it got a 3 on the side. Okay, this one is my favorite. Totally black. Very nice. Wow, this one looks also cool. Again, another figure. Sick, right? Absolutely fantastic. Have to make a couple of photos for my Instagram. And of course, I put a link in the description to my Instagram and also a link where you can buy this diorama. But be quick, because it's gone before you know. I just checked it and it's still there. If you're living outside of Europe, it is possible to shop tax-free in the store where I bought this. It's from my local hobby store and it's called Tom's Model Cars. And it's in the Netherlands. And like I said, if you're living outside of Europe, you can shop tax-free. Tax-free. Take a look at the back. Okay, there's something written on the side of the container. Forbidden toy. Not for under 18. Is that clear? This is an adult channel. This is an adult diorama. Not for under 18. This is toys for boys. And not for children. Okay, again. A wide shot. Okay, guys. I hope you like this review and I hope you like this diorama. Leave a message in the comments. I always read the comments. Okay guys, happy Easter, have a nice day and see you soon. And for the next video I have a mail call from my friend Sol, and I also have this. I have a couple of other ones, Nano Hollywood rides, which is totally awesome. I have this one and I have one from Fast and the Furious, and there's also one from Back to the Future, but that one still has to come, so I'm waiting for that. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.